Digital marketing is effective ways to promote your business. You can promote your business and more creative options to have. We have a lot of options of your growing business. Now let's start the basics. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a form of business promotions that uses a variety of strategies to reach people on the internet. Digital marketing is advertising marketing like TV ads, Facebook ads, and digital marketer is Google ads, search engine optimization. Communicate to others, your website promotions. Content marketing is create your audience. Email marketing, which is communicate to your customers. Social media ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, etc. related. Digital marketing is the marketing and advertising of business, person, products, or service using online channels, electronic devices, and digital technologies. A few examples of digital marketing include social media, email, pay per click, CPC, search engine optimization, and much more.